Hey guys, Jer here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use grid bots on 3Commas. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now that we're in the grid bot section, at the very top you can see these two little options. These two options will enable and disable the balances over here, or it will enable or disable the trading view and configuration, which is everything else. The choose a pair part right here is the place where you're going to be able to select the account you want to trade with, the market you want to trade on, and the pair you want to trade with. So I'm going to be using US dollar Tether for this and ADA, just because it's been hovering around the same price, I'd say, pretty close. So sideways markets are definitely the best for grid bots, because you don't have to go back and edit your grid bot if it falls out of favor, like this example right here. The grid bot would not be working with what's currently set because this price is not in it. But this strategy right here is the AI strategy. So it will basically take a certain set amount of time and it will make a strategy based off of the prices itself. You can use this one if you want. It's all up to you, but you can also make a manual one if you'd like as well. So let's say I wanted to include this up here. So we would basically go to upper limit price. This hit 3.1, so we could just say 3.1. And then for the low price, we want to do 2. So we'll just put 2. And as you can see here, it will stop here and stop here. But we only have 10 grids here, so let's go ahead and up that. We're gonna do 20. And the quantity per grid is how much ADA is going to be traded per stop. So here, let's just put 10 ADA. And then the amount for bot usage is the amount that they can use. This changes while you change the quantity per grid too. So you could just put 500 here, or 5,000, I guess. And it will change the quantity per grid as well if you'd rather change it that way. Now we're gonna go take a look at the chart so I can show you guys how it works. So as you can see here, there are couple buy orders and then multiple sell orders. So what it's going to do in this example is it's going to purchase at these buy orders that you can see, and then it's going to sell the purchases made at the sell orders above. I also wanted to point out, since I already have Cardano in my account, it is opening up less buy orders. As it goes up and hits all those sells, it'll open up more buy orders to even it out. If you have any questions on how this works, leave a comment. I also put a bunch of links that could be very helpful in the description. Now once we have our bot, we can go ahead and click create. And now when we go down here, we can find it. I didn't name it. You can name it right here, but I just didn't, I guess, for this example. So here we go right here, the paper account. We can click enable here and click confirm. It's probably going to have you purchase some crypto so you're able to create the bot. You can either buy manually yourself using a smart trade order, or you can market buy and it will just create it right away. So I could just click market buy and it will purchase it and start the bot right away. Down here, you're able to just look over the bots if you want to see how it's doing. For example, I have this one here. So as you can see here, quantity per grid, it's 1080A. The grid width is 0.87% to 1.04%. This means that it's in between this number and this number. So, but it will never be lower or higher. This is the upper limit price. It's 2.4 with this one rather than 3.1 with the one I just made. This one makes profit about 20 cents per deal. It looks like 21 cents, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what these little things are on the side. So first off, you could click this and it will just take you to the bot and you can actually see the orders on the bot. So this right here is the pair that you're trading with. If you click it, you can actually see when your bot purchases and when your bot sells. Since I just made a market order for me to start this bot, it just has a random purchase right here. So you can actually check out your bot using that. Investment, that's how much you have currently invested into the bot. Profit, obviously profit. Then profit slash loss, that's this down here. This will show up once you actually have deals. These buttons right here are little tools that you can use. This one right here will refresh the bot so you can see if there's anything new. Share, this allows you to share the bot settings so you can copy them and send them over to other people if they want to use them. Delete, that's how you delete the bot. Edit, you can bring the bot back up here and edit it. And then the stop button will stop the bot or start it. And going back to balances over here, this is just going to show the balances of your account. And that about covers the grid bots. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below, hit that like button, I'll try to respond to whatever I can. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, that giveaway ends really soon for 1 month pro of 3Commas. And I hope you guys enjoy your day. Happy trading!